CRCL applies for National Trust Bank Charter. A federal trust charter would bring CRCL under direct federal bank regulator oversight, aligning it with how traditional financial institutions are overseen. CRCL, the company behind the USDC stablecoin, said Monday it has filed an application with the Office of the Comptroller of the currency to form a federally regulated national trust bank. A federal trust charter would bring CRCL under direct OCC oversight, aligning it with how traditional financial institutions are regulated. If approved, the new entity, which would be called First National Digital Currency Bank, NA, would oversee custody of USDC reserves and offer services tailored to institutions. If approved, CRCL would join the ranks of federally chartered institutions like Paxos and Anchorage, both of which previously secured trust bank status to offer crypto-related services nationwide. The trust bank status would allow CRCL to operate across state lines without obtaining separate licenses in each state, a hurdle that has complicated expansion for many digital asset companies. It would also permit CRCL to offer regulated digital asset custody services to institutional customers. The move signals a strategic effort by CRCL to solidify its regulatory standing as the U.S. mulls legislation like the Genius Act, which would create new guardrails for dollar-backed stablecoins. The company said becoming a national trust bank would help it meet anticipated requirements under the bill, which passed through the Senate earlier this month and now awaits a vote in the House of Representatives. By applying for a national trust charter, CRCL is taking proactive steps to further strengthen our USDC infrastructure, CRCL CEO Jeremy Allaire said in a statement. We will align with emerging U.S. regulation for the issuance and operation of dollar-denominated payment stablecoins, which we believe can enhance the reach and resilience of the U.S. dollar and support the development of crucial, market-neutral infrastructure for the world's leading institutions to build on. CRCL went public last month and issues the world's second-largest stablecoin, USDC, and the leading euro-pegged token EURC. The OCC, which oversees national banks and federal savings associations, must still review and approve CRCL's application. The agency has granted similar charters to a handful of crypto firms in recent years, signaling growing regulatory acceptance of digital asset companies operating within the traditional banking framework. Update June 30, 2025, 2050 Universal Time Coordinated adds additional information. Christian Sandor is a U.S. markets reporter focusing on stablecoins, tokenization, real-world assets. He graduated from New York University's Business and Economic Reporting program before joining CoinDesk. He holds BTC, SOL, and ETH. Helene is a New York-based markets reporter at CoinDesk, covering the latest news from Wall Street, the rise of the spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, and updates on crypto markets. She is a graduate of New York University's Business and Economic Reporting program and has appeared on CBS News, Yahoo Finance, and NASDAQ Trade Talks. She holds BTC and ETH. AI Boost indicates a generative text tool, typically an AI chatbot, contributed to the article. In each and every case, the article was edited, fact-checked, and published by a human. Read more about CoinDesk's AI policy.